Welcome to episode 3 of Flipping PCs until I buy whatever I want. So this could be custom builds, this could be flipping PCs, so cleaning them up, fixing them. This could be upgrading people's PCs. But this episode, I have this PC right here. So I took this as trade-in and I valued it at $250. It has a Ryzen 3500X, I think, and a GTX 1080. So I got a pretty good deal on it. GTX 1080, I would pay about $80, but it goes for about $100 on eBay. So I'd say it was a steal, but there are some stickers on it and it looks pretty dusty. The cable management is also not the best. So I need to fix those and then I can flip for some profit. So I'm gonna take the stickers off right now. They voted to put stickers on. I would have voted to not. So, as you just saw, I got all the stickers off. I got all the residue off, I think, but I think I scratched the case a little bit, but I don't think it'll show in the photos, so it's fine. And now I'm gonna make a PC part picker list of all the parts. So I'm gonna get my laptop and then I'll be able to look at all the parts and see which one they are. Easily, but it looks nasty. Alright, so I figured out all the parts. I thought wrong on the CPU, so the actual one is a Ryzen 7 1700. The motherboard is an X370 from ASRock, and then it's a 2x8GB kit from G-Skill running at 3200 megahertz. There's a 1TB hard drive, and then GTX 1080, 700 watt power supply, so lots of headroom. I might switch it out for a lower wattage one. And this is in the NZXT S340. So S340 case. Never heard of it. Thought it was like an H10 Flow, but I guess not. I don't really know NZXT cases that well. But I'm gonna clean it up and see if I want to switch any parts out. I need to put at least a 512 gig SSD in, 512 gigabyte SSD in. So it just has an SSD. And I don't know if I'll remove the 1TB hard drive or not, so we'll see. But I think I'm gonna take all the parts out, dust it, clean it, and then put all the parts back in. I'm gonna put the power cord and the antennas in this bag for the buyer, so I'll give it to them when they buy it. Whoa, Joshua, so you just dusted everything, you just took everything out, and now you spray painted the cooler, and now you're gonna put it all together, right? Yes, so I need to install the SSD, and then I need to install cable extensions, and a cooler, and then I need to install the power supply. and the GPU. And probably some other stuff that I forgot about. And then I should be done. Alright, so as you just saw, I finished building the computer. And so now I need to install Windows just to make sure everything is working fine, and then I'll be able to list it. Alright, so as you just saw, I just listed it, and I listed it for $375. So I don't think I'll be able to sell for that, but maybe a little less. My build cost is $257, so I should be able to make at least $50, but $50 will get me over the goal for the 3D printer, which is good. So we just gotta hope that it sells. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that PC to sell, I have this laptop that I'm building for someone, kind of. So I had the laptop, I bought the laptop from eBay, and then I bought a 32GB RAM kit off of eBay as well. And then I got a WD Black SN8050 or 850X, and I'm gonna be installing it. And then if it needs any Windows installed, then I'm gonna install Windows. And I'm getting paid $50 to do this. And then they also have some old hard drives on old computers that I'm gonna disassemble. I'm gonna disassemble their old laptops and then move all their stuff to the new hard drive, and then they're gonna pay me $50. So it's gonna be pretty good, and then I'll be able to buy the 3D printer. I need to take out these screws, and then the back should just pop off. I'm gonna set them in the tray as I take them off. So the top three at the top, this one right here, and so on, so I remember where they were. And then I'm also gonna remove the sticker residue. I'm also gonna remove this sticker and these two stickers as well, because no one wants them on their laptop. So yeah, let's do it. This is the new drive. But first, I need to use Macrum Reflect to mirror the drives, so then I don't have to install Windows again. So I'm gonna put all of the data from here onto here, and then I'm gonna reset Windows before I log in or anything, just to make sure that it's no information is on it that I don't want, or the person that is getting this laptop doesn't want. So let's do that. Alright, so I installed all the Windows updates, and then it seemed to be working fine. So I gave it to them, and they love it. And I did the data transfer from their old laptops to the hard drive, and that went well as well. So that's good. And they paid me $50, so now I'm going to order the 3D printer. And next episode, we're going to be building a PC or flipping a PC to hopefully buy an iPad. So let's order the 3D printer.